how to view purchase history on your app store. Now this is very simple. So before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like the video at the end. Also check out more of our tutorial videos that might be helpful for you guys. Now let's just jump into it. Now first what you'll want to do is to view your purchase history, open your app store. Now after opening your app store, on the top right you will see your profile icon. After you click on it, there you will see apps, purchase history and notifications. Just click on purchase history. Now there you will see that no results can be found. There in right below purchase history you will see that this is showing me the result of last 90 days and the apps which are paid. Let me just click on it, and there the filters option will pull up. Now you can adjust your filter. You can see the apps that you've downloaded in the last 90 days or this year or last year or even 30 days. Let's just keep it this way. Now let me just click on free. You can also select the types of app that you want to view. Let me just apply these ones. Now there you can see all the apps that I have downloaded in the last 90 days and which are also free. So that is how you view your purchase history, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as I've already said, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.